To download Facebook on your Android phone, you'll start by looking for the Google Play Store icon, which looks like this. In my case, I'll need to swipe up from the home screen to reveal all my apps, and now I can swipe between app pages looking for that icon. Mine is here, so I'll tap that and it'll take me to the Play Store. This is your place for all app downloads. It requires a Google account, and if you've already logged into one on your phone, you're all set. If not, you'll start with a login screen where you can either use an existing Gmail account or create a new one. The Play Store has app suggestions, top charts for the most popular apps, and if you can't see what you're looking for, you can always type and search. Also, needless to say, downloading apps requires an internet connection. Using Wi-Fi is never a bad idea, but if you have a solid data plan, you can easily install apps without Wi-Fi connection as well. Installing apps takes a while depending on your connection speed, and once the installation is ready, you can open the app from here. And now that the app is installed, you can always find it in your app grid, and if you'd like, you can tap and hold to drag it to your preferred location on your screen. I have a separate video showing how to add apps to your home screen for quick access. If you're interested, check the link in the description. And that's it. Leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.